Welcome to my online class. Good morning, my dear children. Today, let us continue the topic, the types of sentences. There are four types of sentences. Number one, declarative sentence. This sentence is also known as assertive statement. So, this is a statement actually. What is declarative sentence? They tell us something. That is a simple statement. They give us information and they normally end with a full stop. Period. The usual word order for the declarative sentence is subject plus verb. Declarative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at this example. Positive, negative. I like coffee. I do not like coffee. We watched TV last night. We did not watch TV last night. Declarative sentences are the most common type of sentence. So these are simple sentences and they give us a simple meaning. Very nice, simple statements these are. The second one is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentences ask a question. They ask us something. They want information and they always end with a question mark. In this also there are two types. Number one, WH question. What is WH question? The usual word order for the interrogative sentence is WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Interrogative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. Let us see what is WH question. WH questions are those questions which start from the word WH. Generally, they start with these words where, what, who, whose, like this, and how also includes in this because it is an exception. So, do you like coffee? Don't you like coffee? Why did you go? In this, yes or no type question examples is also included. Let us see what is yes or no type question. Yes or no type questions start from uh, auxiliary verbs like is, was, do, can, may, shall, etc. So, if you ask a question, you will get the answer yes or no. If you ask, is it your pen? You will say yes or no. You will not get such answers for WH question. If you ask, where are you going? You will say, I am going to school. If you ask, what is your name? You will say, my name is such and such. So, if you ask yes or no type question, then only you will get the answer yes or no. Shall I walk with you? What will be the answer? You will say yes or no. That is why this is known as yes or no type question. This yes or no type question and WH question both are known as interrogative question. Next, the third type of sentence is imperative sentence. This give you a command. They tell us to do something and they end with a full stop or exclamation mark, exclamation mark, not question mark. The usual word order for the imperative sentence is base verb. Note that there is usually no subject because the subject is understood. It is you. Imperative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. The sentence which requests also called an imperative sentence. For example, please help me. Please give me a cup of tea. So the sentence should have the feeling of request or command. Shut up, open the door, read the lesson. So these are the examples of command. And for request, please help me, please give me a cup of tea. So these such sentences are called an imperative sentence. Even if you request, even if you order, both sentences are called imperative sentence. The last one, exclamative sentence. So, exclamative sentences express strong emotion, surprise, and exclamation, and they always end with an exclamation mark point like um, this one. The usual word order for the exclamative sentence is what plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. How is also included, and plus subject and verb. Okay, so wherever there is an exclamation mark, you can easily recognize that is an exclamative sentence. Okay, and these are expressing our emotions, our surprise. There is no need to tell that we are surprised, that we are having such emotions. The word exactly expresses what we feel, and they do not have any special meaning in this, and these words also show our emotions. Look at these examples. What a liar he is. What an exciting movie it was. How he lied. How exciting the movie was. So, today we learned four types of sentences. Declarative sentence, also known as assertive sentence. In this, positive and negative, both sentences are there. This is a simple statement. Then interrogative sentence. Again, there are two types. One is WH question. Second one is yes or no type questions. Okay. And third one is imperative sentence. This again includes request or order or command. Okay. The last one is exclamative sentence, in which they are expressing our strong emotions. So, for your homework, write four sentences for each type of sentences. Okay, including those types also. For example, if you are writing assertive sentence, you write two sentences for positive, two sentences for negative. Again, for if you are writing interrogative sentence, write two sentences for WH question and yes or no type question. And also, if you are writing imperative sentence, for request two sentences and for command two sentences. So this will be your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.